signal encoding techniques. That is very, very important when we talk about the wireless communication. Analog and digital data. This is the data representation, and analog and digital signals, right? This is the signaling that can be used. Coding, we have different encoding schemes. NRZ, multi-level binary, biphase, all right? Then we have analog. If this is the encoding scheme, these are the encoding scheme when we have digital data and we are using digital signals, right? And then if we have analog data and we are going to use digital signaling, then we can have PCM, pulse code modulation, and delta modulation. Then if we have digital data and we are going to use analog signal, right? So here we have some choices: ASK, FSK, frequency shift keying, amplitude shift keying, and binary frequency shift keying, and PSK